So if you're looking for an alternative to clean your barbecue grill and you're tired of doing it manually, you might want to give this a look. What I want to do in this review is show you everything it comes with. We're going to go over the features of this, and then I'm going to give you a demonstration on my barbecue grill right next to me, just kind of show you how it works. So you are going to get a couple of gloves here. You're also going to get a charging cord here, which is you're going to charge it right here in this port. Now it does have a charge time of right around 2 hours and a run time between 100 and 150 minutes. What I do love about this brush is I can actually take this out by twisting that off. You can pull that out, throw that into a dishwasher or rinse it underneath the water and go ahead and get it clean. It also has a splash guard here, so when the brush is out, you can go ahead and easily just kind of wipe that down. It's got a nice wide grip here, so you can easily get your hands in there. Maybe you're taking it to camp and it's cold and you want to go ahead and have some gloves on too. So it easily fits in there that way too. Also, your controls here, super easy to work. Right here at the very top, it actually has a light. Let me show you this. I'll turn that on. You got a light, so that way if it's kind of dim, you could use it really as a flashlight around your grill. Easily kind of see everything that you're going to clean too. If it's in a dark environment, one click, turns right off. Right here, we also have our power button. You can do a long hold. Now we've got 4 LEDs. That's telling me my battery level. And it's turning on. You can see here it's spinning pretty good. Just hold it down for a second. It's going to turn right off. So it's super easy to use, easy to clean. Now let's go ahead and clean my grill. I'll just show you how it works. Now before you clean your grill, you want to make sure it is not hot. It does say right here, do not use on a hot grill. So I'm going to go ahead and hold the button down for a second. Go ahead and just turn it on. Get a good grip on there. And then once it pulls forward, it's got a lot of strength. And I'm just going to go back and forth. Clean that grill. It's really scrubbing faster than I could do it manually. And it's just a lot easier. I'm able to get the grill right here nice and clean. It's easily pulling off all this grease that I've had on here. Go ahead and turn it off here for a second. You can see here, now it's all kind of dark. I've got some dirt up in here that it's clean. And of course, this is where I've been scrubbing it. Up here, I have not touched it at all. And so it's still pretty dirty up there, but this just makes it so much easier. It seems to be very, very well made. It's got a good weight to it. This is nice, thick ABS plastic through here. Of course, we've got the red and the black. I love the light. And I'm glad I really can take this out, throw it in the dishwasher, and get it nice and clean. Hope you found this review helpful.